makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how we created this look right here, keep on watching. Thank you. Hello beautiful people, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here again today with another interesting video. So on today's video we have a beautiful model, guys. Take a look at her skin, take a look at that smile, she's glowing already. Oh my god. I don't want to show my face because I look so, I don't know, maybe I might show my face, maybe I might not. So can you please introduce yourself? Can you please tell them your beautiful name?
Hi guys, my name is Maureen. I am a model for today. I'm a student. I know much about beauty anyways. I make up too. I'm not perfect like her. She's very perfect too.
Yes, Maureen, you're welcome to Dizzy Makeovers channel.
Thank you.
So we're gonna be starting with the Skin by Zaron micellar water. Then we'll be going in with this Skin by Zaron sunscreen. I highly recommend this. So I love this product because it does not leave a white cast on your face at all. It just blends in. And then right here I'm going into her T-zone with the classic matte primer. This primer too is really good. Make sure your hands are clean if you want to use your hands. So at this moment I'm setting everything in with a powder. And then for foundation, I use the Higa and Esther foundation. I use two shades. I mix them together. And yeah, it might look as if it's a little bit lighter than her skin, but trust the process, guys. This will oxidize and melt perfectly into her skin. So I'm using the brush to, dab the foundation into her skin. So I'm using the Avor Cosmetics Beauty Sponge to blend everything in together. But my people, did you see that foundation blend though? Oh my gosh, this foundation is so good. See the difference between that side without foundation and the one with foundation on. This foundation is so good. I highly recommend it, guys. Highly recommend. So at this point, I'm just adding in another layer of foundation because I needed more coverage. You must not do that. If you just see the need to add more, you can add more. So I'm just trying to make sure all those angles around the nose are being taken care of. Do what you have to do, girl. Make sure that thing is blended well. If you notice, I did not apply foundation under the eye because I don't like going with foundation under the eye, So I'm using the color corrector from V Beauty. This is an orange color corrector. It might look reddish here, just to correct her under eye. And then I will now be going in with a concealer to highlight the under eye. But at this point, I know, girl, you don't have to crucify me. She might look a little bit ashy, a little bit popped out, different from her skin tone, but trust the process. I think I missed out on the undertone from the beginning, but there's no need to fear, my girl. There's no need to fear. We're gonna correct that by the time we contour the face, which is what I'm doing, and apply the blush and do the needful. Everything is gonna come together, so don't worry, trust the process. So I'm applying the cream blush to her face, and I just blended that in. We'll be going in with Avo Cosmetics setting powder to set the highlighted areas on her face. So at this point, I'm applying the ZKL Cosmetics powder palette all over her face. We are baking the face. We're baking the under eye. What this does is that it helps you pick out fallout, and then it helps retains the highlight on that areas. Okay. So at this point, the camera battery ran down, but we just had to keep going. We switched back to my phone to record the video. So I had already done the eyeshadow. If you need a detailed tutorial on the eyeshadow, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll record that for you guys. After then, I went ahead to draw the eyebrow, put on some lashes, and I tied the gele. I am so sorry I did not record that, but if you want to see a gele tutorial, please let me know in the comment section below, so I'll record it for you guys. So this is the final look. Wow, I love the way it came out. It's the eyes for me, it's the lips, it's the skin. What do you think about this look? Please, if you love this, don't forget to leave me some love in the comment section below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Like this video and share the video with your loved ones. Share the video with your sisters, your friends that would love to learn makeup. Thank you.